Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be comparing two primers. One is the new ELF Poreless Putty primer and the other one, the Tatcha Silk Canvas, very renowned one. And of course, it is expensive because this is Tatcha, of course. And ELF is a very affordable brand. And the thing is that both have the same type, or they are both poreless kind of primers. And I'm quite excited to try these both, half face, half versus half, whatever you can call it. It's the pattern, in short. Range. So let's see if we can save money with the ELF or it's worth buying the Tatcha one. So Tatcha one comes in two sizes. I have the travel size one. Of course, I think this will last a lot of time, and even the travel size is like around 22, I guess, dollars, so it is not so cheap even in travel size. And the ELF one is just $8, and that is like a very good price for the quality it comes in. So let me show you the up close versions of these. Doing Tatcha on my left and ELF on my right, so you can see which one is which. See, both look very similar, same color. The only thing is that this smells a bit minty and fresh, and this does not smell anything at all trying the Tatcha one. I have tried it once and it was very good, and to my surprise this was like a very non-matte one. I thought it will be mattifying, but it was not. So I'm applying it on my half face. So you can see this goes into the pores so smoothly, and I can see my skin feels smooth, poreless, and like kind of velvety. And let's try the ELF one. I'm trying it for the first time, so yeah, it feels so much like Tatcha. A little creamier though. Yeah, it is a little bit creamier, at least while application. Yeah, it is a bit more satiny, and you can see it has a bit more sheen, or only I see it. I don't know if the camera catches or not. I feel it is a bit more, it has a bit more sheen to it. Like, let's see in the few minutes after makeup also. Yeah, I totally feel that this has a bit more sheen than this one. The first impression of both of them, there's no tacky feeling to it whatsoever. It feels like naturally what the same is, just a bit more smoothen out, and that's it. So without further ado, I'll be finishing my makeup and I'll be showing you my final look. See ya. So guys, I've done my makeup and it's a very minimal one. I have been doing a minimal makeup look lately and I've been enjoying it. So you can see this is the look. Very wispy lashes. I know I have done a little bit of report, and it looks good in photos, but when you upload it's not. It's a little fiery. Anyway, so skin looks flawless in the both sides. I will say I am astonished and surprised. ELF has done a great job, and I literally don't see any poreless effect more in one side versus the other. It's almost same. I have applied a very thin layer of foundation, like very light foundation, the Bourjois Healthy Serum one, and just because I wanted to see the effect of primer more than the foundation's job. So I will be getting back after like few hours to see any update and tell you if there is any noticeable difference. Also, the sheen on this side has some like settled down with the foundation application, and I see that it is now equally same after the foundation, and that foundation is a very, I would say, it's not dewy, but it's like a natural finish one. So I don't know what to say. I'm really surprised. I really like both sides. It does not feel like anything different to me, to be honest. So I will be back and I will share with you any difference, if any, after 2 hours. Looks like a little shiny right now because of course I was doing an outdoor shoot. So comparing the both sides, in the mirror, in the camera, they feel just the same. I'm surprised by that. I felt there will be a noticeable difference, but It's a surprising thing that there isn't. But if I touch it, this feels more, kind of, dewy, and this feels a little bit more matte. But pores, they look just the same, even in up close. So my final verdict is save some bucks and get the e.l.f. one. I don't think so you need the Tatcha one if you want to save some bucks. Of course, if you are a hoarder and you love Tatcha, if you want to spend, you can. Otherwise, I don't think so it's necessary to get the Tatcha one.